Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the author name to the PDF files on the Adobe Acrobat Reader application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on Preferences, which is this third option. Scroll down to the author name section and type in the name for author, or type in the author's name for commenting, as you can see. And now you don't have to do anything such as saving a save button, because it will be saved automatically. So if you go back, you can see that it has been updated already. So feel free to go back to this section if you want to change the author's name anytime you feel like to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.